At Canberra Community Law, we acknowledge and celebrate the first Australians on whose traditional lands we work and pay our respects to the elders of the Ngunnawal people, past and present. We provide a specialist housing and tenancy law service for residents and those in need of housing ACT or other community housing services. Here are some common questions we get asked, but you can get in touch to find the answers you need. I got a notice saying I need to be out of my house in 14 days. Am I being evicted? Do I need to go? You haven't been evicted. Not yet. Housing ACT must provide you 14 days notice if they want you to move. However, you don't have to go unless the tribunal makes an order for you to leave. You have the right to a hearing before that can happen. You should seek legal advice now. My roof's been leaking for ages. I just put a bucket under it when it rained. I knew even if I told housing, they wouldn't do anything about it. But in the last big storm, the roof caved in and now my TV is ruined. Can I get compensation for the TV from housing? You do have an obligation to let housing know of any repairs that are needed. You can only seek compensation if housing knew the roof was damaged and didn't repair it. I pay my rent directly from my Centrelink payments. If it goes wrong and my rent isn't paid, shouldn't housing and Centrelink have to sort it out directly? You need to pay your rent manually until any issues are resolved. It's your responsibility to make sure rent is paid no matter what. Housing want to do an inspection at 3 p.m. on Tuesday, but I have to get my kids from school. Can I ask them to change the time? Absolutely. You can ask for an inspection time that suits you better. Inspections times should be negotiated. The heater is broken, the bathroom lock is busted, and now my window is broken. Housing never respond to any of my requests for repairs. I'm sick of it. I'm not going to pay my rent until these issues are fixed. You must still pay your rent. Failing to pay rent can lead to a possible eviction notice and other consequences. Housing are obligated to respond to all valid repair notifications in a reasonable time frame. You should seek legal advice if this is not being done. We can also assist you if you are renting privately and have a low income and/or hold an Australian government healthcare card. If you live in a caravan park, hostel or boarding house. Or if you live outside the ACT, we can refer you to a community legal centre in your area. Please contact our advice line on 02 6218 7977. You can also visit our website anytime to find out more.